Hi everyone. We all know the heart is the center of our health, and what you eat every day can be either a weapon for protection or a silent killer for your heart. Today, I'm going to share 7 heart-healthy foods that can help you maintain a strong heart, reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, and live longer. Before we dive in, if you want more tips for heart-healthy eating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to let me know how many of these foods you've tried. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, stabilize heart rhythm, and prevent blood clots. Eating at least 2 servings per week can make a noticeable difference for your heart. 2. Nuts. Nuts contain healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. These nutrients help lower LDL cholesterol, raise HDL cholesterol, and maintain stable blood pressure. Just a handful a day keeps your heart happy. 3. Oats and whole grains. Oats, brown rice, and barley are rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that helps reduce cholesterol. Starting your day with oatmeal or adding whole grains to meals supports long-term heart health. 4. Fresh fruits. Fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, helping to reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels, and prevent atherosclerosis. Berries like blueberries or strawberries can also improve vascular function. 5. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens are natural nitrate sources that help dilate blood vessels and lower blood pressure. They're also rich in vitamin K and antioxidants, supporting circulation and reducing inflammation. A plate of greens daily acts as a shield for your heart. 6. Beans and legumes. Legumes provide soluble fiber, plant-based protein, and minerals, helping to lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and support a healthy heart rhythm. Replace some meat meals with beans a few times a week. 7. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is a great source of monounsaturated fats, excellent for heart health. Using olive oil for cooking, salad dressings, or as a butter substitute can lower the risk of cardiovascular disease and maintain stable blood pressure. So, we've covered 7 heart-healthy foods that can make a real difference in your life. By including these foods in your daily diet, you're investing in a stronger heart and a longer life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to share your favorite heart-healthy food.